Understanding the phrase, peach of a moment, in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, peach of a moment. This phrase isn't just a collection of words. It's a gateway to understanding nuanced English expressions. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's break down peach of a moment. The word peach in English can refer to something exceptionally good or attractive, not just the fruit. The word moment refers to a very short period of time. When combined, this phrase typically highlights a brief, yet wonderful or significant time in someone's life or in a particular situation. To fully grasp this phrase, it's best to see it in action. Let's look at some examples. 1. The sunset at the beach was the peach of a moment, utterly breathtaking. Here, it describes a short-lived, but beautiful experience. 2. Winning the award was a peach of a moment for her. This implies a brief, yet highly rewarding experience. English is rich with similar phrases. Some variations or related expressions include a moment to remember, or a golden moment. These also emphasize the significance of a brief period. When using peach of a moment, remember, it's best suited for informal contexts. Emphasize the brevity and beauty of the moment. It's not commonly used, so it can add unique flair to your speech. Peach of a moment is a charming way to express the beauty and significance of brief experiences. We hope this video helps you appreciate and use this phrase in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the richness of the English language.